I want to share this Thrive Market haul with you because it will get torn into if I don't go ahead and share it like right now that it's here. So if you're ready, mamas, Alexandria here, 35-year-old Tyler mom, therapist, and gym rat. I lost nearly 40 pounds postpartum and it changed my life. So now my goal is to help other mamas and other women to be the best versions of themselves and to reach their goals. And today I thought we'd do something fun and a little bit different. First things first, this is not a Thrive haul that's sponsored by Thrive Market. I like Thrive Market. I actually think Jessica Braun is the reason that I started with Thrive Market. And I don't exclusively buy from Thrive Market. They just have a lot of great things that I feel like I can get better prices on their website generally than I can at other places, and stuff that my son really likes, but also things that we like. So today I picked up a random assortment of things. These are primarily like snack foods that are either family-friendly snack foods or just snack foods that I enjoy, that we eat all the time. And then the other thing is I really wanted to find some sort of beverage for me because I want to drink less alcohol just generally because it's not good for you, but also because I just wanted something that had like lower, less calories that I could incorporate besides just water and coffee, and that's not alcohol, but that was more fun or interesting. So I got that too. So let me show you what we got. I did put this on top. This is obviously an empty box as I'm showing you, but Chomps. We love Chomps. My son loves Chomps. This is like one of his favorite like snack type foods, and he's pretty particular about what he will eat. We're not here about his food habits anyway. But I like these also as a snack because they're high in protein, and so it's just really quick on the go. And so I bought more of these the last time, so I didn't eat them this time, but this box is empty, so I guess I should have ordered more. Okay, this is going to take a long time because I keep getting interrupted. So if I'm moving around a lot, that's partly why. All right, so I did end up with a free gift. They do that a lot. It came wrapped, but I unwrapped it for the sake of the time. So I got Primal Kitchen mayo and Primal Kitchen ranch. I don't really know what this is about, but I'm curious. I'll keep it posted if it's worthwhile. This says 110 calories per 2 tablespoons. And this is 100 calories per tablespoon. So yeah, I don't know, TBD. And I got some snack food. I wanted to try the Garden Ranch of the late July. I like the, I can't think of what the other one is called, but I like the other one, so I decided to try these. These are late July. They just kind of remind me of Doritos. They're not quite as bad for you as Doritos. I'm sure they're not like healthy, but they're not quite as bad as you for Doritos, and I really like them. I got 2 bags of the Hip Pea barbecue puffs. My son freaking loves these, and like I said, he's picky, so I bought some more of these. Are chickpea puffs. I like them, he likes them, so I bought 2 of them. If you love this kind of content, I would love if you would click that subscribe button. If you want non-judgy mom friends who want to support you along your journey, I would love if you would come and subscribe, and also say hello in the comment section so I can say hi back to you. I'd love to get to know you and support you along in this journey. I also picked up the Mexican street corn late July on Jessica's recommendation as well. Jessica Braun. Picked up those to try also. And I grabbed more of these. These are the good chip, like the original. So they're kind of like Pringles, although I looked at the Pringles ingredients and then I compared them to these ingredients and I couldn't tell the difference. I'm not a nutritionist though, so I don't like have the nutritionist eye. So maybe that's why. But it seemed like there was like 10 calories of a difference per serving, which is not significant, and so I'm not really sure. You guys know, but anyway, these are good. My son likes them and I like them. So I've also gotten into granola recently on my oatmeal, just because I've noticed that when I use the granola it keeps me full, and so I got the apple cinnamon, which I already knew that I liked, and then I got the cocoa crunch. These are not like, these are a little bit on the calorie dense side, but I do find when I eat these with my yogurt, I'm full longer. So now we're gonna move on to the drinks. I left them like semi-wrapped to show you. Like I will say Thrive Market does a supremely great job of like packaging their stuff so that it's like kept nice and safe. It's very well done. It's very impressive. And they do have a 2-can minimum requirement for a lot of this kind of stuff, so you'll see 2 of the same thing for that reason. So they package it like this. I like opened it just for the sake of time, but like it's like all the beverages are wrapped like this. So I got the creamy root beer from Zevia, And yeah, this one was a 0-calorie thing. So I got 2 of those to try. And again, I'm not saying you shouldn't drink soda or whatever. I wanted to find something to shake it up. I was just in the mood to do so. I saw these Barbie times Swoon Barbie Pink Lemonade. These are 5 calories. So I was curious about that. So there's 2 of those. Knock these out of the thing, so I guess there you go. And then I did Hum Probiotic Seltzer in the Raspberry Lime. These are also 0 calories. I got 2 of the poppies. I like poppy. I think I've tried the strawberry lemon. I like the strawberry lemon if I'm remembering right. There's another one I like better, but I can't place it. I know the Dr. Pop is super popular right now. But these are 25 calories. I do like these, so I thought I'd get a couple of more. And lastly, I did pick up a thing of the Shirley, that sounds really weird when I say it, alcohol removed wine. So it's just like alcohol-free wine, and it's 35 calories. Again, I like wine, but I figured I'd give it a shot. I'll have to keep you guys posted. This is bubbly red, and again, 35 calories per can. So significantly less than what a glass of wine would typically have. But yeah, so that's what I picked up, plus the chomps. I didn't actually have to buy this time, but I bought those recently, so I wanted to show those to you guys, because I feel like they tend to have a really good price on those. So that's what I got for today, and I'm just curious, do you guys like Thread Market? Do you think it's over-sponsored? Like, what are your thoughts on it? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. What is up, guys? Okay, so we're at the end of the video. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna throw this in at the end, because I was about to start editing. I'm like, I've tried the stuff, so I should like give them some feedback, right? That would be helpful and informative. So the things I hadn't tried from the haul, I want to just share with you my opinions, my thoughts on, because yeah, I think that would be informative. So the Barbie times Swoon, the pink lemonade, did not enjoy this. It's a monk fruit thing, so I think it's probably like the taste of monk fruit that I don't care for. I'm a Splenda person. I know it's bad for you. I've heard. I don't care. So wasn't a huge fan of this. If you like pink lemonade, you might like this. I like pink lemonade okay, so I mean, I can't recommend it. I'm sorry. Then I tried the Shirley, the bubbly red. Didn't like this either. This was it was like all the good parts of alcohol were taken out of it, and you were just left with this. Hopefully that makes sense. So not a huge fan of this. If you're trying to be sober, I would probably try a mocktail instead. This just wasn't for me, so can't recommend that either. I'm really sorry. And then the Hum Probiotic Seltzer. This was my favorite thing that I've tried so far, other than the poppy that I had already tried. And this is the Raspberry Lime. I do like this. It's one of those, like, it's got like a fart. That's what Coffee Break with Danny says. Always makes me giggle. Like, it's got like a hint of raspberry and lime. And so I do enjoy this the most. It's just a seltzer water with like a hint of like raspberry and lime. So this one I do actually like and would recommend. And then I do like the other one. And then the only thing I hadn't tried was this Zevia Zero Sugar soda. So we're just gonna try it on camera together, because what the hell. Let's see. Okay. That's gonna be a no for me. I feel like Simon Cowell. That's a no for me, dog. Oh, no. No. Don't like that. All right, well, that answers that question. And I have another one of those to drink. Crap. All right, then last thing, the Late July. I like the Late July. These 2 flavors are good. They're not my favorite. The Mexican street corn's kind of boring. I like Mexican street corn. It's fine. It doesn't really taste like Mexican street corn to me. It tastes like a regular tortilla to me. But they're not bad. If you like that, they're not bad. And then the Garden Ranch, these are pretty good. My favorite is still the jalapeno lime. And those actually remind me more of the Doritos Ranch than these do, which is weird because you would think that this would be like the dupe, but doesn't matter. I'll put a picture up to show you what I'm talking about, but those are my favorite. These are pretty good. I also really like the sweet potato version. That sounded weird. Sweet potato version. So, all right, that's gonna do it. YouTube should be recommending something they think you'll love, and I hope you love it too. Catch you later. gotta go edit because I'm behind. What's new?